everyone, it is me again, and if you don't know who I am, thank you for clicking on this video. I am Debbie and this is the look that we're going to be doing today. Right, in this video I am just going to be telling you the colours, the textures of things, so then you can use what you have instead of going out and buying everything that I'm using, because you don't need to do that. Like, you just need to be smart about it. If you have a red, use your red, you know. If you have an orange, use your orange. If you have a concealer, use your concealer. So this background is a bit wrinkly because I had this folded up. Sorry. Okay, and let's get started. Right, so my face is bare apart from this is what we're going to be doing. I've already done it. Magic. And, oh, I forgot to clean this brush after. I'll be alright. I'll be fine. Okay, so I still have a bit of eyeliner on from earlier, but it's okay because the PLouise base that I'm about to use will cover that. So I'm just going to pat that all on, all over my eye, and line around my eyebrow. And just pat it. Cover that eyeliner up instead of washing it off. That is what I do. And I'm not ashamed of it. Whenever that is all patted in, I'm going to go in with the PLouise palette. Okay, so a red shade. It's like a pinky kind of shade, so it is, and then a orange. So in the PLouise palette, I will name it out. I'm using the Velvet Kiss, the Rendivis. Okay, I'm not going to name it out. First I'm going in with the red colour and just putting that on the edge and just dabbing it on. Dab for Debbie. And yeah, just building that red up, because reds are quite hard to do. I love red though. So we gotta make this work. Okay, and then going in with the pinky shade, and I'm just really lightly. I barely even want to notice that there's pink in this, like. So I want it to look like it's all one colour, but really it isn't, because then that just means that the blend is so seamless and it'll just look better. Because if I went all in with the same colour, then it would just not sit well like this, you know. You just want this tiny different dimensions in the colour. And I am going in with orange, so I'm literally going to show you how much orange I am taking. I'm literally going like that. That's all the orange I need. I don't even want it to look like there's orange, but I just want the blend into the skin. Perfect. Right, cut the crease. Right at the edge, go in with a red again and just pack it on at the edge, and then just over that bit where you finished with the base or a concealer, whichever one you want to use, whatever you got, and just gonna dab over that. Peaches and Cream Famous glitter, so it's like a really sparkly gold. Yeah, it's like an orangey kind of gold, and I think it just looks really nice against the red, so that's why I went for it. And just put that everywhere that you put the concealer, the base. Yes, honey. Right, right, right. Now going in with the red again and just going under my eye. And eyeliner, I'm using Scandalous Eyes by Rimmel. And I was about to do that eye. Oopsie. I'm never going to be good at that. Nah, be fine. I'm going to overflow my eyelashes by mistake. Still happened. Anyway, I will let them dry up a bit, tacky up a bit. I don't know. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to put on some mascara. This is just 100% waterproof mascara by Rimmel, more than likely in 3 for 2. And put that on. I don't really wear mascara, but I thought I would change it up today because why not? And a bit underneath. I never do this, but you know. Why not just put some weird faces on YouTube? Right, eyelashes are probably still not dry because I did really overflow these. And I'm just going to pop them on and hope for the best. Oop. Whoop-a. That just came out everywhere. Estee Lauder Double Wear. I'm using that and with a brush. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face and like, whoa, look at the difference there. Just put this halfway down my face just so I can see how weird I look without foundation. Yeah, like the difference. Cover that big spot, which is now turned into a scar because I picked it. Oops. Now I'm going to cream contour because I always do. And yeah, it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. It is this one for here and then this one for all around my face. Concealer is the one that I'm using is Lasting Perfection Ultimate Wear Concealer, but you can use any lighter concealer for under your eyes. And then I'm going to take a foundation brush and just pat that in because I cannot find my sponge. Whatever's left on the brush, I'll just go my nose, around here, and the chin. Because why not? Why waste product? And then I'm going to blend this all in. Powder is the RCMA No Colour Powder. And I just put that everywhere. You can just use a translucent powder if you like. I just really love this one and it's like £13 and I love it. I'll post it in the description box where I get it. Bronzer is MAC Give Me Sun. I basically do just use all the same sort of things. So this is what I'm saying, like, you know, you don't have to buy everything that people tell you to buy. It is totally up to you. I normally buy myself cheap stuff and then at Christmas time ask for the dear stuff. Then Sueva blusher palettes. Any pink blusher will do, or even like a nice little peachy kind of one would be nice. Right, now taking the, I think, yep, it's definitely Rimmel because I definitely got this in the 3 for 2. It is Lasting Finish 1000 Kisses Stay On Lip Contouring Pencil. And just lining my lips with it. It is in the shade, definitely have the shade somewhere, Spice. El Spicy Up. Oh, we're going for a red kind of look and it's called Spice. Coincidence? Whenever I'm lining my lips, I like to do little strokes in the middle. Just, I don't know why. I'm just weird. Anyway, so for the lip gloss, I'm using the PLouise Holla lip gloss. And just sticking that all around. Again, your highlighter again. I'm just glowing up. Okay, so this is the finished look and I hope you all liked it, loved it, subscribed to it, and yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you watched all this way. If you didn't, then you won't see this, so there's no point to me saying anything about it. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye!